Welcome to this presentation on the UNFCCC Climate Change Information Network Clearinghouse for Articles of the Convention, ccinet. This presentation is aimed at providing an introductory look at ccinet and its development, which also includes a short demonstration of the registration and submission process for contributing your initiatives. What is a clearinghouse? In this case, a web-based clearinghouse is a mechanism that brings together pre-existing information networks and filters that data based on an established criteria. This consolidation broadens the client's access to information, and the filtering provides the client with tailored information according to needs. In terms of ccinet, it is a clearinghouse for information on climate change education, training, public awareness and public participation, public access to information, and international cooperation, the 6 pillars of Article 6 of the Convention. It is also a mechanism for governments, organizations, and individuals to share and gain rapid and easy access to the ideas, strategies, contacts, experts, and materials to facilitate the effective implementation of Article 6 of the Convention. The development of ccinet has been spawned by 2 mandates. The first is Decision 11 of the 8th Conference of the Parties, the New Delhi Work Programme, whereby the UNFCCC Secretariat was requested to work on the structure and content of an information network clearinghouse, and that this clearinghouse could facilitate A. the implementation of the work program, and information exchange and cooperation between parties, and intergovernmental and non-governmental organizations working on Article 6 issues. More recent mandate is Decision 9 of the 13th Conference of the Parties, the amended New Delhi Work Programme, whereby parties and relevant organizations were encouraged to share information on the implementation of the work program through ccinet, and the Secretariat was requested to further enhance the usefulness and relevance of ccinet in line with the evaluation report of the clearinghouse. The initial development of ccinet is based upon options for the development of the clearinghouse outlined in document FCCC/SBI/2004/14, wherein a 2-phased implementation plan was highlighted. Subsequently, the prototype was developed and launched in December of 2005. This prototype phase concluded in December of 2007 with an evaluation, which is provided in document FCCC/SBI/2007/17. The full-scale development phase has now commenced. In the prototype phase, the clearinghouse development is based on SBI 2004-14. The primary focus of the prototype was education and public awareness materials, and the primary intended audience for the prototype clearinghouse was negotiators and accredited climate change practitioners. The prototype provides basic but useful functionality. With the full-scale development now underway, the Secretariat is aiming to meet the additional guidance which was provided in SBI 2007-26. There will be an increased emphasis on training, access to information, public participation, and international cooperation materials. A broader audience will also be envisaged, and there will be an increase in the functionality and user-friendliness of the system overall. The current features of ccinet include a full text and advanced searching for content and calendar events. Information is also presented by scope, be it education, training, public awareness, and so on. And registered users can also contribute directly their own information to the system. The content within ccinet includes more than 1,200 links to national and organizations' climate change websites, documents, and other materials. There is also a comprehensive listing of Article 6 focal points and a calendar of climate change events. For the full-scale clearinghouse, the content will also increase as far as quantity and quality, and there will also be an increase in functionality. The search mechanism will also be enhanced, whereby content will be ranked, as well as predictive searching. There will be an increased focus on training, public awareness, public participation, and access to information and international cooperation. CCINet will also see the inclusion of French and Spanish navigation and search interfaces. And the system will also take into account a facilitative methodology for review and update of information contributed by registered users. Getting started and contributing to CCINet. For the prototype phase, CCINet has been developed to cater to the primary needs of the parties, in particular, the individuals implementing national programs and initiatives relating to Article 6 of the Convention. Only climate change negotiators and practitioners implementing climate change initiatives will be granted login credentials in this prototype phase of the clearinghouse. These individuals would include climate change negotiators, Article 6 focal points, and practitioners implementing climate change initiatives. In order to begin, you need to start the registration process. Following this, and review of your application, login credentials will be provided to you in an email. We'll have a demonstration now. First, access CCINet, either using the address unfccc.int/ccinet or from the UNFCCC website by clicking on the CCINet tab. From the CCINet homepage, you can now initiate the registration process. Click on the Join link on the upper right corner of the page. Complete the form, especially the fields indicated with an asterisk, which are compulsory. Then, click the Apply button to forward the application for review and approval, after which you will receive an email with your login credentials. When you have received the email, click on Login on the CCINet homepage. Use the credentials which you have received to access the registered user area of CCINet. You are now able to add new information and edit previous submissions. Click Add New Information to begin. Provide an appropriate title for your content which you will create. And click Create Information. Click the Here link to begin to edit this content. You may now upload files and complete the information, including descriptions and scope, focus, and then click Update Data to save your changes. If you are content with your submission, click Send to be published, and the information will be forwarded to CCINet administration for approval. You can follow the approval process through the Edit Your Submission section. Here you can see the information that is currently online and the status of objects which have been placed within the queue in the UNFCCC workflow. I hope you have enjoyed this presentation on CCINet, and I hope it has been useful to you and will assist you in providing your initiatives and programs directly into CCINet. Thank you.